to Slushy News Nature Walk. We're speaking as loud and as constant as possible because there's some music playing. But yes, we are going for a walk in rather relaxing rain. We can't bring out green screen gloves because obviously, well, it's the forest. Everything's green. Hopefully the music won't be playing for too long, but anyway, we're gonna try and edit out the music. If not, then we'll have to redo the audio. So, oops, we didn't realize we started recording again. That'll probably be edited. We had to pause because the music was getting a bit louder. There's a high chance we won't be using this audio, but hopefully there's no music in editing. So, as you can see, it's quite relaxing in the forest. Yes, it is the forest. If this video gets enough views, we might even link the location, although the music's going down. Hopefully we don't have to worry too much. But it's a rather relaxing walk. You can always just maybe turn the volume down if you just want the walk, or we could upload a video without me talking. It's rather hilly here. We hope you're enjoying this relaxing nature walk. Unfortunately, this will probably be our only video with this style of content. We'll also have to pause if anyone approaches, or if we get to an open area. Like here. Although, hopefully we don't have to stop. It's rather hilly here. I'm not sure if you can. That was a hilly area. We apologize for that inconvenience. It's rather hilly here and not the smooth this terrain. We can always reduce shakiness in editing. And we're approaching the end of the walk. As you can see here, we have finished the walk. And we can take a break at this bench for a little while. No, I'm not gonna sit on this bench fully. I'll also edit out as many background noises as possible. But anyway, oh yeah, we were also advised to do the foot of this. Isn't that beautiful? Okay. So, we are now heading back. We will not try to talk too much so you can enjoy the relaxing walk. I'm gonna go behind the camera, okay? We might edit in some relaxing sounds. We just paused a little bit because we wanted to know if that was the right way, and no, we weren't going that way. Anyway, back to your video. So, we hope you enjoyed this relaxing walk, And we hope you'll like and subscribe and share, because this took 10 minutes or more to make. And also we had to do a bit of editing. But this has been Slushy News, Relaxing Nature.